All right, what's going on? Smart Money Gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, man. You already know where I'm dropping the knowledge, the heat, man. Get you on these pips. Get you into this bag. You already know what time it is. So I'm SMS FX Ken. If you're new, you feel me? I'm not a financial advisor, but what I can do is mentor you guys, shorten your learning curve, right? And let you earn while you learn, right, guys? So, like I said, man, I can give you a fish you can eat today. Or feel me, I can teach you how to fish and you can eat forever, man. So that's gonna be the slogan I'm rocking with today. And then y'all know what today is. It's Tuesday, ain't it? It's technical, ain't it? We need some analysis. We need to see um what we got up for the week. What we doing, right? What we doing, where we at? Is we using our knowledge, is we using the and taking advantage of all the free things that I'm putting and dropping on this page, man. But before we hop right into this analysis, and then I'm giving you all the sauce, I want you guys to like, share, subscribe, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I also want you guys to like leave a comment, guys. Let me know if you like this video. If this video is helpful for you guys, so I can understand, and know to keep dropping bangers, dropping this type of content, right? So by that being said, man, we're gonna jump right into this. We're gonna jump right into this video, man. And we're about to do our little our technical Tuesdays, man. Technical Tuesdays. Yes, sir. I'm gonna share the screen and then yeah, man. As long as you guys continue to show up, I'm gonna show up and show out for you guys, man. I'm not gonna waste y'all time. I'm gonna give y'all a real game, and like I said, things of that nature. Basically my insight and how I'm looking at the charts, you feel me? So as y'all see, man, I gave y'all all this sauce, dog. Y'all owe me, man. Go ahead and cash app me $10, man. If y'all used, if y'all used the pre-market, man, and then y'all got off like this, man. 'Cause I told y'all, man, what was gonna happen. It kept coming up. I thought it was gonna crack bust right around up in here, but it tried to push back up one more time, but it couldn't crack this level right here. So we got pushing down. Plus, we was under our EMA, guys. So y'all know sale, and it was beautiful, man. So that went kind of beautiful, guys. Like I said, I hope you guys use that. I hope you guys already got your chart set up though. You already got the numbers, man. Because here you go, 69,500, 7,500 is the midpoint, which is like the minor key level, and then the 71,500 is another major. So 69,500, 71,500, right? So that's like in between 2,000 pips, right? Something like that. Anyways, man. So look, we gonna hop on it like this, y'all. We're gonna hop on it like this. What I'm seeing is right now. No, I can't be like that. But we got the same bias, man. But right now, price is you already know, man. Just looking at structure, guys. Just looking at structures, I'm already seeing this type of behavior going on right here. So um me seeing this, um me seeing this is only making me look for, I'm seeing this pattern right here. And then I'm seeing higher, right? Higher lows, right? Higher highs, right? Uh, let me show you guys. Oh, wait. First off, let me turn this, my colors, man. I like to keep my colors, y'all already know. I put the buy zones on there, and then I put the sell zones on there. And I'm sorry, man, I love y'all to death, but y'all know, man, I gotta slap the timer on there, so I won't be going crazy making these videos 30 years, all right? So basically, uh, we see this ascending triangle. And for you guys that don't really know patterns and things of that nature, you already know, man. No, I don't need to do that. We need to go here, and then we need to go to the Discord. So I got a free Discord, guys. So all you got to do is click on the free Discord, right? You're going to get an invite to join the Discord, man. And on this Discord, right, I'm going to show you how powerful this Discord is and what you're missing out on, right, guys? So if you're not a part of the Discord, this is what you're missing out on. So I'm going to accept the invite, and then I'm going to go, okay, allow. All right, allow. Come on, continue to the Discord. I'm gonna show you what's up, what's popping, man. I'm sorry, I should have had this already up, man. I'm cutting it to y'all time, but I gotta show you guys, right? everything that I have to offer, man, because this is so great, right? So now we're gonna go over here, right? We can go to patterns to look for, right? So even I got indicators, pages to follow, my YouTube videos, the risk management course, and a free tool in there that you guys might need. Brokers I use, testimony, gifts, pattern cheat sheet, right? So we can go here. So we can either go to patterns to follow, right? So these are the different patterns that I got going on up in here. On the different type of patterns you'll see: triangle pattern, right? This is what we're seeing, right? Triangle pattern right here. So we're seeing that that pairs should shoot up bullish, right? Um, if it checks out, right? So you can click on it so you can get a better view of it, right? And then that's the kind of view we got. So sort of like a triangle. But this is just patterns, right? I want you guys to see the full names of it, right? So this like, okay, pullback, neckline, target, so you can understand your entry and your exit strategy. Uh, 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 and then bearish engulfing candles, just teaching you everything else. But right here, we're gonna go to pattern cheat sheet. Pattern cheat sheet. This show you the different type of bearish candlesticks, the bullish candlesticks, right, guys? And then, like I said, we got this trend line breakout. It's showing you stuff like that, the double top patterns, the bearish engulfing candles, flag patterns. And so that's what we do, man. We go find what we see, right? So we see this triangle pattern, ascending, which is basically an ascending triangle. And we have all this type of stuff right here, pennant right here, symmetrical triangle right here. So this is what we're seeing going on, symmetrical triangle, and we hope to get that push up to the upside. But like I said, man, you can go on here and you can go ahead and check out the different patterns and stuff like that. These are the things you need to take advantage of, guys. So if you ever see a pair, a shape, or something like that, and you don't know exactly what it is, not all the time you have to go to Google, guys. You can come on here, index it, go straight to my Discord, or even go to my video on here and just click the links, you know what I'm saying? Or check it out straight through the website. And then yeah, you can go on here, and if you're confused about anything, you can go ahead and see what kind of pattern you see and see what kind of pattern it is making, and then just look at pure price action, even see what kind of candlesticks are forming up, right? As you seen, I showed you guys, right? So me personally feel like, okay, if price fails to make a lower low, maybe even hit off here, bounce off here, keep pushing all the way up into here, we might see a break to the upside, guys. So we might see a break going to the upside, up to around at least like, the 200 moving average, or to this level, back up here to this level. And then we got hella levels up, so on and on and on and on. But we go to settings, and see now that this is a box that's above price right now, we will have to go to templates. Oh, wait, I don't know what just happened. Settings, templates. Hold on, guys. Okay, settings, templates. Now we can turn this into a sales zone right here. Right, this is an area problem had. Price had problems at in the past. Then we can set up shop up here. Right, this is where we can be looking to take profit, guys. So yeah, once with support now. Resistance, right? You see how that work? So now you got all these levels here that you can try to, take profit from. If price failed to make a lower low, right? So you can take profit here, which is the first high, and here second, and then so forth and so forth, right? So boom, now we got that. Now if price do break here, right, and then break this line, right, and then give us that pull back here, then we'll get in for the downside right here, right? Okay. But right now we just following structure, and like I said, we see a low here. Let me change that. Settings, buy limit. We see a low here. All right. Then we see our second confirmed low, right, which is a higher low than this last one. And then we see another higher low, right? So basically going off that, we got 3 different supports. Hopefully that would support and push price up. Hopefully this support right here from the ascending triangle, push price up still. Okay, so now we can go check out odd and see if we can see the same thing. We can see the same thing going on. So in odd, we kind of got I say a bullish pennant, man. Because you got price lifted off like that, and then you got price coming down like that, right? So to me, sort of look like a bullish pennant, man. You might got to retrace off here, and then we get to push up to the upside, right? It seems as if price have found support down here, and we created a newer support level, right? So we're gonna put that up. We're gonna put that up, boom. Then we're gonna put one right here, right? And that's justification. Okay, we got 2 lows, right? A low, then a higher low, right? And if price fail to make a low, then we know price might push up, right, guys, to the upside. Okay. It's just probability, good probability trading. It's not saying you're gonna win 100% of your trades. You're gonna win every trade if you do this. That's one thing that I would not do on my channel. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing I would not do on my channel, is give you and tell you, oh, it exactly gonna do that. Oh yeah, you bet you're about $1. No, that's not me. And if you're looking for that type of trader or mentor, then you probably don't want to deal with me, right? Because that's just me keeping it 100 a buck with you. All right, so boom. This is what we're looking at, and this is what we're trying to do, man. We're trying to figure out is price gonna push on. Oh, yep. We got this first take profit here around this area, right? Price can shoot up, boom, hit this area, then start turning around if it wanted to. First take profit, second take profit, third take profit, right? But everything is looking good to that push to the upside, right? But price start coming back, come back through here, breaks here, give us a pullback here or either here, then we'll look for that sell to the downside, and then hey, first take profit, and so on forth, so forth. We'll put more and more and more wherever we see hits at our problems. We'll drag back out and go to like the 4 hour or something, so we can get some good pointers, right? Basically this is how I trade, man. Good clean charts, man. Only, good clean charts, man. And, yeah, I try to run up a bag from there. You feel me? So yeah, this is basically like the summary of what I'm seeing and what I'm looking at. And then me personally, I'm looking for my scalps or my entries. Once I see price at a certain structure, at a certain point, right? Or something that makes sense, right? High probability, high confluences. So I got a lot of confluences. Okay, I might say, okay, the stochastic is high and the blue is over the red. And hey, this might be just a pullback, and boom, we might get that shoot up to the upside right away, right? Or it might break through and just start breaking structure, start bringing this way down and break structure, right? And then we see a pullback here or something. Yeah, then I'm getting in for that sale. So what I am is I adjust, guys. I adjust to what's going on, right? So like I told you guys, on a post I posted on Instagram. I said, hey, look, it's not about being the best trader. It's not about who you're getting the knowledge from. You got to get the knowledge from the most expensive person. It's not that at all, guys. Forex works for you. I want you to understand that. Find your reason why. Don't do it because, you need this, you need your bills paid. Don't do it for that. Do it because you're trying to learn a self-skill that's going to change your whole in life, your whole environment, your family's environment. Do it because, you know, you know who you are, you know where you want to be at life, you know where you're at life, and you're trying to change the situation. So just always remember that. Do the whys, right? Write everything down. Affirmations, you know what I'm saying? Confirmations is key, right? To trading, psychology, methodology, guys. Try to get all that down packed. Love yourself first, man, before you go out loving others, right? Love yourself first. Love you first before you go out loving and enjoying other things, right? So Man, with that being said, man, SMSFX, mentors.com, man, .store. You can go check it out. I hope this bias will help you guys out and just like start like letting you guys understand and identifying just structure, man. I just want you guys to look at structure. So even if you is coming into my my course and my class, I want you to be able to know higher highs, lower lows. So this is why I'm prompting you with all this information, and that you can go out and check it out and use it for yourself. Go see it for yourself, right? Don't let nobody put their fears, project their fears onto you guys, right? Forex might be for you. Forex could be for you. It's not a get rich scheme, it's a process. But like I said, you can take care of your whole entire family and probably all the problems that you're thinking about. If you really learn this skill with the proper knowledge, telling you guys, it's limitless, man. It's no cap. So you already know what to do, man. Everything gonna be in the description below, man. I hope you guys love this video, man. Give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get it. Tell a friend to tell a friend, man. I know what it is.